Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. This isn't a new trend, it's quite an old trend, but I'm not really trying to make it into a trend, and I've realised I've said trend a bit too much. So, I've got a mystery bag. Now, I am obsessed with the shop Tiger. Who else is obsessed with the shop Tiger? I love the shop Tiger. If you've never heard of the shop Tiger, Google it, see if there's one in your town and go to it. I went to Preston. It's about 25 minutes on the train from Blackpool. So I've bought these bags before, haven't done a video on it. My sister Kay introduced me to these mystery bags. They are £2 and you just get like small quirky gifts in it. Now I just love mystery boxes and mystery bags. Anything that's like a mystery. And yes, I went into Tiger in Preston, which I did not know there was one there. I went there for the first time. Well, not for the first time. I've been to the station. I've just never been outside the station. And yes, I saw Tiger. I was so happy. I went straight in there and I found out they've got mystery bags, but this isn't a £2 one. This is a £5 one, and it's quite big. I'm not expecting anything of huge value to be in there. That's not the purpose of these bags. It's just like a little surprise, a little bit of fun. It was £5. I thought I'm going to buy one of these and do a video on it. So I'm going to shut up and open it. It's got a little peephole. Can't really make out much. I'm getting like this spotty thing. I reckon it may be a canvas bag. So they are sealed. So get into it. Wow, that's tough. And can I just say, I went in. I know it's not huge, but it's quite bulky. I got to the till. I was like, "Excuse me, can I have a bag for that?" It's like, "No, we've got no bags." I'm like, "Oh, I've already paid for it." I'm like walking down the street carrying that. I would have preferred a bag, to be honest, or at least do them with handles. I know, like, a bag's a bag, but like I had to get on a train, like, carrying it. So I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna make it a surprise. So the first thing I'll grab is, oh, what's this? Is this? Oh, it is a bag. Is it? Oh, that's quite cute. It's a spotty bag. How'd you get into it? Oh, it's upside down. Is it? Yeah. Oh my god, that's so cute. I might use that like as a lunch bag. So this is a gym bag. I'm not sure about you, but I could only just get my water in that. That's a gym bag. It says gym bag. Anyway, so it's got a little zip on the front. Get with a little pocket, decent sized pocket. You could like keep your gym locker key in it, I suppose. Smells of a canvas bag. It's a drawstring one, and I love that. So I'm gonna put my own prices. Sorry, it's really warm. I'm gonna put my own prices on these. So I would reckon this. Would you say about £2? No, it's bag for £2. I mean, like I could use it as a lunch bag or something. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So next thing I dig out is, what's this? Oh, it's another gym thing. I wonder if they're all gym themed. So you can strap it on your arm, put your iPhone, iPad, anything. Well, not your iPod maybe. It's an arm strap. How does it work? It's quite a sturdy one actually. I've had these in the past and they have been absolutely useless. So I do have gym membership, but do I go? It's another story. But yes, I still choose to pay £13 a month for a gym that I don't go to. So yes, gym strap. I'd say again £2. So that we're at like £4 now. I'm not too sure how many items you get in there. So this is what's this? Is that an avocado? What the hell is that? Okay, this is, wow. It's whatever it is. It's ripped. So it's meant to be some sort of squishy, but it's all peeled away. It looks like somebody's used it as a chew toy. Wow, they actually put really random stuff in there. This has probably been used. That actually looks like it's been used. I have no need for this. I'm guessing it's... I did say it was a gym theme, but what would you use that for? Gym, like healthy eating? Oh my god, I don't know why I put that in my mouth. I don't know where it's been. So yes, we have half an avocado. Looks like it's... Is that a hair? No, I thought I found a hair on it. So we're all good. So half an avocado. A pound? Really? So what is that? Is this a bum bag? A sports waste bag. Ooh, it's very see-through. Hello. So sports waste bag, that is very thin. Really don't know what you'd get in that. What would you put in that? So it is like a bum bag, but very, very small. Big enough to put your keys in. I wouldn't say it's big enough to put your phone in. So yes, something for, maybe to like put your keys in for, like if you're going out running, your house keys. It is elasticated strap. It has got a belt buckle thingy. And again, £2. So I'd say what, £7 now maybe. Next we have, still seems to be quite a few bits. What's this? Is this another bag? I've got 2 bags. Okay. So we have another bag. Maybe if it's a gym bag and it's too small, you can double up by taking 2 bags. So, don't know why they put 2 of the same item in there though. Moving on. What on earth is that? Oh my god, what is this? Is this like a workout thing? I think it's a yoga thing. If you think I'm going to reenact that, then possibly. Could I end up injuring myself? Possibly. It is pink, it is 1 strap, and the instructions. This is deadly if there's no instructions. Oh, this is called, what's it called? A yoga belt. Well, it says yoga belt, but when was the last time somebody used a belt like that? I don't wear a belt like that. So, I'm not even going to attempt that because I know I'm going to end up in hospital. So, yes, again, £2. Would you spend £2 on this? I suppose I could actually use it as a belt, actually. It's got like the hooks to put around my waist. But I don't, that is not how I put on belts. So yes, another item. If I was going to use the stuff, I'd be quite impressed. Anything else? There's still something else. Oh, we have another belt. A blue one. Oh, we can have his and hers. So we have 2 belts. I suppose I could actually use them as a belt. I do need a new belt, so hey, got some use out of this mistress bag. Anything else? And that's it. Ooh. So, if you like bags, then I've got 2 of them. If you like belts, I've got 2 of them. If you like avocados, I've got half an eaten one. If you want a bum bag that you can get a key in, I have 1 of them. And if you want something to hold your iPod as you're running around, I have 1 of those. I'm not exactly disappointed. Yeah, it was only £5. Would I buy another one? Probably I would. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know down below if you've ever tried one of these bags. Let me know if you're also a fan of Tiger, because I love that shop. Tiger, if you want to sponsor me, all my details are down below, and I shall see you all in my next video. So it's a goodbye from me, Matt, and a goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.